We are at the scene of a tragic accident that just happened on the highway. Currently, at least 10 cars are burning fiercely. Black smoke billows up. The fire flares up strongly, spreading continuously. The thick black smoke columns continuously rise. The catastrophic level of the accident is unimaginable. After many hours of effort, the fire has finally been extinguished. The price paid is terrible. The scene now only has rubble. The cars are just charred iron frames. Oh my God, something's wrong with the roof of the car. Oh no, it exploded. Loud explosion like fireworks. The fire flared up fiercely, burning fiercely. I couldn't believe my eyes. The fire engulfed the bus in a split second. People have started running out of this road. They ran away from the burning car. Luckily, no one was still in the car. But the car, it was completely destroyed. Solar panels are the cause of this fire. A multiple accident occurred on the highway. The panicked man tried to run away from the danger zone. Many cars did not have time to react and crashed into the cars in front. What a tragedy on the highway. Just 1 minute of carelessness from the driver caused a tragedy for the man going to work. The god of death fell asleep while the girl was lying under the truck. The two men were stunned when everything happened so quickly and dangerously. These situations make drivers scared. They had a lucky escape. He had a great show of flying over the car in front of him. Los Angeles police have responded to a single vehicle crash. A black car crashed into a lamppost, leaving a scene of chaos and devastation. The young man, only 20 years old, was pinned inside the wreckage. Firefighters had to quickly use other power tools to carry out the rescue. Remarkably, it took them less than a minute to free the driver from the car. An incredible speed in emergency situations. The victim is currently in critical condition. They have been taken to the nearest hospital.